Question 91, again a question from art and culture. This question again reminds a question of previous year actual paper, when there was a question based on the paintings of Ajanta caves, and the question asked that with reference to the Indian history, the art and culture, consider the following pairs. In that question, there the question was asked about famous work of sculpture and the site. You have to match both of them, and I am just mentioning it that to make a connection between that question and this question, so that you can find out a relevancy. In that question they asked a grand image of Buddha Mahaparinirvana with numerous celestial musicians above and the sorrowful figures of his followers below. Another option was a huge image of Varaha Avatar, that is the boar incarnation of Vishnu, as he rescues goddess Earth from the deep and chaotic waters, sculpted on rock. And the third option was Arjuna's penance or descent of Ganga, sculpted on the surface of huge boulder. Very difficult question, in fact. On the similar line, this question has been designed, which asks you famous paintings and you have to match their sites. Flying Vidyadhara, Heavenly Musician, Shiva blessing Manuntikanda Chol. And the sites are Jaina Cave Ellora, Brideshwara Temple Thanjavur, and Veerbhadra Temple Lepakshi. For your kind information, friends, here I want to mention that this question is from a book, Art and Culture, Indian Painting of National Book Trust. National Book Trust's book is very good for art and culture, not only for paintings, musical instrument, paintings, art and culture, etc. The books of National Book Trust and NCERT are very good regarding this. So here I want to mention the correct answer. All are correctly matched. 1, 2, 3. 91. Option D is the correct answer.